48, I write it here, is equals 150%. I write it in the form of 150 over 100 of times which number? We are going to find the value of this number. 100 divided by 50 is 2. 150 divided by 50 is 3. So it is going to be in the form of 48 equals 3 over 2 times this number. To find the value of this x, I divided both sides by coefficient of x, which means 3 over 2. This one and this one can be cancelled off. So we have x equals 48 over 3 over 2. Division to multiplication. So it is going to be 48 times the reverse of 3 over 2 is 2 over 3. 3 divided by 3 is 1. 48 divided by 3 is 16. And 16 times 2 equals 32. And